Hi, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. It's Blow Bend week and I have exercise 3 for you today. Grab a G harmonica and stick around. So we're really getting up to what my first harmonica teacher, Matt Walklett, called the dusty end of the harmonica. We're all a bit scared of this end of the harmonica. Even on a G harmonica as we're using, it is still kind of a bit squeaky, and so it's difficult to get under control. That's why I'm giving you these practice exercises. I'm hoping 2018 might be the year of pushing your boundaries and trying some difficult stuff. I'm finding this difficult. I'm trying to drag you along on the journey with me. It's a triplet line, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, and it's descending this time. So we're starting right at the top with hold 10, and we're trying to bend that hold 10. So we're going 10 blow, and then 10 blow, full step bend. Now 10 is like 2 draw. 10 blow is like 2 draw. So 2 draw we have 2 bent notes, so 3 notes including the natural note. It's the same on hold 10 blow. We have the natural note and then 2 bends. We're going to the second bend, so the lowest bend on 1 draw, 10 draw, 10 blow, and then to 10 draw after that. So da, da, da. That's our first triplet. So we've actually got a draw note, which is quite nice. Might help balance our air a little bit. And then the second set of triplets. 9 blow bend, and 8 blow. So we're getting practice on a 9 bend as well, which is great. And then we have 8 blow bend, and 7 blow. You're probably familiar with that 8 blow bend from doing my practice exercises 1 and 2. They're using that bend. And then we just finish with a 7 blow. So we just hold that 7 blow. So we put them together. If you want to link together those bends, or how should I explain this? From the natural note down to the bend, if you want to play that movement rather than staccato, dee, da, if you want to go dee, that's quite a nice effect, so that it isn't, which can be a bit just not that cool, I suppose. It can be a bit nicer if you link them together smoothly, more legato. A little bit smoother. So as usual, you practice this nice and slow, and then look at speeding it up. Da, 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 da. So that sort of speed, maybe slower, whatever speed suits you to begin with. That's plenty fast. I mean, at first you might it might be a case of just finding those notes if you're not that familiar with them. On the 7 blow at the end there, in the intro, I did a little bit of, I'm tempted to call it vibrato, but really it's kind of tremolo, or it's on the edge of both, because 7 blow is a bit like 5 draw, okay? Because the other note in that hole is only a semitone away from it, so 7 draw is a semitone down from 7 blow, just like 5 blow is a semitone down from 5 draw. That means you can't really get a proper bend, if you like. You can only get a quarter tone, a kind of micro bend on that note. So what that means is, vibrato-wise, I can't really get a full vibrato because it's not really going to move much. I might get a tiny little thing. But I was doing a kind of to get that kind of pulse. If you want to call it a tremolo, that's a fluctuation in volume rather than a fluctuation in pitch. So that's perhaps what I'm getting there. But anyway, you might hear it. And it's just a nice little way to finish off that line. You can hear how even on a G, it's quite squeaky. This is the thing we're up against with blow bends. They're really hard to get under control and make them sound sweet. maybe you'll get it better than me. I mean, that's why I'm putting it out there and hoping you learn it for the next generation of harmonica players out there watching this and hopefully improving their blow bend skills. So that's exercise 3 for blow bend week. That's my blow bend week done with. I'm going to be back with another topic next week. I don't know quite what it will be yet. I do take requests for lessons, so if there's a song or a technique or something you just like to know about, then please put comments beneath the video. You can also email me, contact@LearnTheHarmonica.com. You can also find me on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. Just search LearnTheHarmonica.com on those social media platforms. Before you go, make sure you click like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe for free harmonica lessons every single week. Until next time, enjoy your practice, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers.